How to fill up form on PDF through using your mobile device. First things first is you'll have to download an application. Go ahead to your Play Store if you're using your Android device. Now, for me, I'm currently using Microsoft Office, so just go ahead and type it in Microsoft here. You can choose any Microsoft application you want because it actually works in the same thing. Right now, I'm using Microsoft 365 Office for this sake of tutorial. Now, once you have downloaded this app, just go ahead and access it, and then make sure if you already have the app, make sure that it's updated to the latest version. So just pull it up, and then make sure that you have signed in to your Microsoft account so it will automatically sync all the files that you have, and you can edit it using this app. Now, to fill out the form, all you have to do is, of course, a certain form, and then you'll just have to upload it here. To do so, just go to your OneDrive and then click on Go to My Files. And right here, you'll just have to find that document or file for you to be able to sign up or fill out that form. You can also go to Create. In here, you can create a Word, PowerPoint, PDF, filler form. You can create an Excel form. So that's it. All you just have to do is just upload the form and then fill it out. So that's how you fill out the form on PDF using your mobile device.